In this video, we will show you how to make engaging PowerPoint presentation inspired by the beautiful universe. So watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, select Text Box, drag it. Write Whole World here. Select and change the font. Increase font size. Select Shape, click on right button, select Edit Points. Select both, go to Format, go to Merge Shape and select Combine. Select Color from Shape Fill, go to Shape Effect, select this from Preset. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Go back to Insert, go to Video, select and insert it. Click on right button, send to back. Go to Playback, select Start Automatically and click on Loop until stop. Now go to full screen. You have inspired the world and created a beautiful and engaging PowerPoint presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video.